Is your brass looking a bit tarnished? Let's fix that. First, gather your supplies. You'll need lemon juice, baking soda, a soft cloth, and some warm water. Simple, right? Mix lemon juice and baking soda together. You're looking for a paste-like consistency. Not too runny, not too thick, just right. Now, using your soft cloth, apply the paste to your brass. Gently rub in small circles. Watch the tarnish lift away. Looks like magic, but it's just science. For those stubborn spots, let the paste sit for a few minutes, then give it another gentle scrub. Patience is key here. Once you're happy with the shine, rinse off the paste with warm water. Make sure to get all the paste off. Residue can dull your shine. Dry your brass thoroughly with a clean, soft cloth. Water spots are a no-go, and there you have it. Sparkling like new brass without any harsh chemicals. Remember, regular cleaning helps keep brass looking its best. So make it a part of your routine. Happy cleaning.